In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create text ads in Google AdWords. Even though the platform is now called Google Ads, the process is the same, and I'll walk you through it in a clear, simple way. First, go to your Google Ads account. Once you're signed in, look for the Create button. Click that, then choose Campaign. This opens the setup flow where Google will guide you through the essentials. You'll see a prompt to enter your business name. This helps Google tailor recommendations, but if you prefer, you can skip it and move straight to selecting your objective. Choose the objective that best matches your goal, whether you're focused on driving sales, leads, or basic website traffic. Picking the right objective helps the platform align its recommendations and reporting to what matters most to you. Next, select your campaign type. For traditional text ads, you'll typically choose search, since that's where text-based ads appear on Google's results pages. Then, enter a clear campaign name. Use something descriptive so you can recognize it later, like including the product or region you're targeting. Click. Continue to move forward. Now it's time to set your budget. This is usually a daily budget, so choose an amount you're comfortable with as you test and learn. You can always adjust later. After that, set your location targeting. Be specific about where your ads should show, countries, regions, or cities, and avoid areas you can't serve to keep your spend efficient. Choose your language to match your audience. If your customers speak more than one language, only include languages you can properly support on your site and in your customer service. Refine your bidding strategy next. Decide whether you want the system to optimize for outcomes like clicks or conversions, or if you prefer more manual control. If you're just starting, use a strategy that aligns with your chosen objective and lets you gather data without overspending. Keep an eye on the estimates the platform provides as a guide. Follow the prompts on your screen and add the necessary data. Pay special attention to your keywords. Use relevant search terms your ideal customers are likely to type. Avoid overly generic words that could waste budget and double-check spelling and relevance. Think about intent. Pick keywords that match what people are actually looking to do, like researching or buying. Before you proceed, review everything for accuracy: budget, location, language, bidding, and especially your keywords. Small mistakes can impact performance, so a careful check here saves time and money later. Continue following the guided steps on the screen, and you'll be set with a solid foundation for your text ads in Google Ads.